Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some daily vocabulary. Outcomes, which is a noun, meaning the result or consequence of something. Apprehension, which is a noun, meaning anxiety or fear that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Frighteningly, which is an adjective, which means in a frightening or alarming way. Fraught, which is an adjective, meaning causing or having extreme worry or anxiety. Disrupted, which is a verb, meaning to interrupt an event, activity, or process by causing a disturbance or problem. Sagacious, which is an adjective, meaning wise or sensible. Amplified, which is a verb, meaning to increase the strength or amount of. Vistrit karna. Incendiary, which is an adjective, meaning likely to cause anger or violence. Bhadkane wala. In the offing, which is a phrase meaning likely to happen or appear soon. Hone wala hai. Venomous, which is an adjective meaning extremely unpleasant and full of very strong anger or hate. Vidveshpurn. Surge, which is a noun meaning a sudden and great increase. Badna. Blended, which is an adjective meaning put or combine abstract things together. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.